Always the first on the dance floor and the last to leave. Her free spirit is infallible. Her rhythm moves those around her. A dear and loyal friend, Candace is warm-hearted. She is loved by all those who know her. Is there anyone out there who just loves lace? I'm a lace girl myself, and let me tell you, the Candace is an absolute classic. I fell in love with this shoe at first sight. The Dorsey shape is a sexy take on a classic pump. Look how it exposes the instep of the foot. The hand-embroidered floral lace gives it such an heirloom feel, so refined and elegant. Our brides love, love, love this shoe. It's the perfect combination of modern design and antique feels. It comes with extra padding for extra cushion comfort. And it has a kitten heel. Hello, double comfort. I mean, what more could you ask for?